Hello friends, today I introduce about the GTL flip key holder tool. So this tool is useful to remove the flip key pin, and this is very useful tool. This tool is available in two pairs, one is for vertical key, one is for horizontal key. So how it helpful to remove the flip key pin, I will show you. So by this way you can remove this flip key pin very easily, and there is 5 adjustment hole here given. Depend upon the key, you can hold the key here. So now both the key is holding in this stand, and now you can remove easily this pin. So this will easy your work also.